All right, guys, I'm working on a 2001, what is this? The 2001 series Celebrity. I actually didn't do a good job keeping this thing up because of surgeries and stuff. I couldn't get out here. Anyways, so yeah, this thing has been sitting for 2 years about. Didn't turn it on. The battery was pretty messed up. Very dead. I just got a new one from West Marine. It's a AGM battery. Anyway, this again 2001 series Celebrity Bowrider 180. I try to look up certain things because my boat was cranking. Oh, this is after I actually took out the old gas, put fresh gas in, the new battery put in. It was cranking. It was cranking, just wouldn't start. So I started to look into it, watching YouTube videos and stuff like that, but I couldn't find one regarding the injectors. So this boat has a Mercury Mercruiser 4.3 liter EFI, and it actually has I took this thing apart. I think that's what is it, the throttle body. Anyway, so what I did was I was calling around. I think with the marine place by our house was over $300 for one injector. This is the injector. I pulled those injectors out because they weren't working. I even did a test where you put the battery, I don't know if I have the battery with me, you put the battery on the old injectors on these little prongs here, and it's supposed to click. It's supposed to click to open inside, and that's what allows the gas to squirt out. Anyways, it didn't do anything. It didn't make a noise. When I cranked it, looking at underneath here, it goes into the manifold here. Sorry about my camera, I'm a rookie here. So I was cranking it, and the injectors wouldn't squirt out any gas. It wasn't opening. So I took the injectors out, took them to AutoZone. AutoZone matched those injectors and gave me 2 of these. So I'm going to go ahead and replace them. These are out of I believe they did the search of a GM or a Chevy, years like 92 to 98 or something like that, and these were the exact match. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to put these in right now. Actually, I also bought a kit from AutoZone, which was probably about, I don't know, maybe 30 bucks. Oh, and these injectors from AutoZone cost me $43. I had to give them my old core, which was junk anyway. Had to give my own core. They gave me these $43. And then these were 30 bucks. So I'm doing some cleanup on here, scraping off the old gasket stuff here, and scraping gently because you want the gasket to fit properly, no leaks. So I'm going to take this thing off here, replace it with all the new gaskets and stuff, install the injectors, and then we'll see what happens. And this again was a 2001 Celebrity Bowrider 180 with a Mercruiser, a Mercury Mercruiser 4.3 liter EFI. Okay, I'll post another picture, or I'm sorry,